In this video, I will show you how to install Harrywood vertically. So if you are alone to install a plank, here is a little trick that can help you to install it without any problem. First, you take your screwdriver and a screw, put it together, prepare it because you will need it when you will put the sheet. After, take your pry bar, leave it on the ground for creating your 1/8 space that you need for water. So you take your panel, you insert it with the male in the female part, you align yourself, about a quarter done, you take your screwdriver, put a temporary screw just to hold the material for you, and you go up. So align yourself from the bottom to the top, and after that apply light pressure from the top on the panel and go your way down. When it's done, unscrew your temporary screw, and you just have to screw at every 16 to 24. Important, when you are on vertical application, always screw at the top of the hole.